Hi everybody, I'm Phil. Quick video because I used to be Phil who reviews software. You've not seen me on here for quite a while, but I will be back soon. I've been doing something completely different. I've become Phil Young, as in at Phil Young and Fit. And on TikTok, I make videos about longevity, changing your lifestyle so that you can hopefully live a long and healthy life. And it's done really well. And I've been getting quite a few views and comments and building up a community, which seems to grow when I mess up. So when I have a night on the beer, that's when I get the most views because we all make mistakes sometimes. I stopped making review videos here on YouTube because, to be totally honest with you, I wasn't passionate about some of the products I was reviewing, even though they were great software. But when I make videos again now, I will only make reviews about stuff that I'm going to be using for myself that I will find really useful. So email lists, things to promote my channel, all that kind of stuff. So the videos now, when I release them up on YouTube, will be relevant. And that is why I'm making a video today, because I started on my journey reviewing software by doing a course by a guy called Marty Englander, who is straight to the point and no bull. Marty has simple methods so that you can learn how to make money online. And he is releasing a course that starts in a couple of days. It does say on this, don't worry, the training is full. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so that you can still get on the course. And it is all about TikTok Shop. But the great thing about this, I don't mind making videos where I show my face. This is a way you can make money online with TikTok without ever showing your face and making little TikTok videos. It's all about TikTok Shop. It's all about promoting a product, and then if they buy that product, you will make an affiliate commission. Now, the way Marty does his course, people can do that and make the... Marty's going to teach us, and I'm actually doing this course, which is why I'm going to tell you about it. He will find the way to make it so that if you stick to his game plan, his method, you will make money doing this. He's even got a money-back guarantee where if you don't make money, he'll refund the course plus an extra £100 as long as you follow his steps. So it's one of the easiest money makers he's ever implemented. TikTok can give viral traffic to anybody. It doesn't say just because you've got 1 million followers, you're going to get viral traffic. If you make good content, you will get the views and the videos. And here are some of the videos that Marty's already made, getting those big number of views. All right, so his training is about finding the easiest, fastest way to generate the income so that you don't have to learn all the extra bits. Just do his simple method and you will make money online. And this is in the form of a course for students only. So this is people, just very quickly, who've already done his courses and made money. I'm one of those people. I completely recommend Marty. And as I say, you don't need computer skills, you don't need sales skills or editing skills or upfront money or an email list or money to pay for advertising. If you use his instructions on the course, you will make money. And this is how the course is going to work. This is why I'm telling you, because it's starting in a few days. So 6th of November, the first set of video trainings which you're going to do. Then I'll have a live call at the end of the week so you can analyze your accounts and see where you're going. And then 14th of November, more videos, another live call. And it's going to go all the way through like that, through to December, where hopefully you'll have made the money. All right. And hopefully this will become a new side hustle or a way that you can make money online with TikTok. Here we go. Talking about refunds. You can ask for a refund. Marty's very straight up to 48 hours before the training starts. But then he will offer a full refund plus $100 if you do not generate any sales by the end of the 4 weeks on the course, as long as you turn up and do what he tells you to do in the course. Marty's great. I have learned so much from him. He's a good guy. He wants to help us and he does really well. He's got lots of fantastic ideas. This, I think, is possibly going to be the simplest way. So I've put a link in the description of this video. If for any reason that doesn't work, I will put my email as well in the description of the video and you can get in touch with me and I'll try and get you on the course. But all right, more software review videos coming soon. But if you want a great method to make money online, check out this. It's Marty's course and the link is in the description of this video. All right, see you soon everyone, and I'll be back very soon with more videos.